Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, have you ever wondered or asked yourself if you should be changing up the way you spend your money? Or have you ever looked at your spending and wondered why so much leaves your account? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to find a way out of that hole? Well guys, if you're new around here, I'm Nima. I'm a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in both sales and finance. My videos break down complex financial concepts to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So thanks for clicking in today's video, and let's jump into today's topic, which is 5 money habits to break in 2024. So guys, I'll keep it really simple. Human beings are habitual creatures. We form habits around eating, cleaning, working, and of course, money. Now, some money habits like saving and practicing frugality are positive, setting the stage for financial stability both today and in the future. On the other hand though, some money habits like spending excessive amounts at restaurants or earning little to nothing on your savings aren't so good for your finances. And with 2024 starting today, many people are making resolutions for their new year. Chances are that you are too, and it wouldn't be a surprise if you surrounded your plans around money as well. After all, guys, according to YouGov, the most common New Year's resolution among Americans is to save more money. But how exactly do you do that? Well, for many people, it starts with getting rid of some bad money habits that get in the way of your savings. Now, if you've got your sights set on improving your financial stability in 2024, then one of the best ways to achieve this is to break bad money habits that you may have developed over the years. So guys, I made this video to share 5 bad money habits that you can work on to break now if you have them. So guys, starting with the first bad money habit, and that is paying full price for things. Guys, I always do my best to never pay full price for anything. I always make it a point to ask for a discount or a deal whenever I'm purchasing something. I've really made this a serious habit of mine, no matter if I'm at a grocery store or at a clothing store or even just getting my oil changed. Just asking this simple question has surprisingly gotten me more discounts or even coupons from every place that I shop at. Now, personally, I'm not afraid or embarrassed or even ashamed to ask this question because many store clerks are eager to help customers save money, often finding suitable discounts or sharing online coupons. Now, you might be thinking, well, how would I get a discount at a store where everything is a fixed price? And honestly, that's a good question, but again, it's just about asking. Of course, you may get the typical no answer, but if you just ask, you never know what they might actually say. Surprisingly, they may actually tell you that there is a discount, and you wouldn't have known otherwise had you not asked. So my simple philosophy is just shoot your shot, ask, and see if you can save some money. Now, the second money habit on my list is storing cash with little to no return. So of course, if you live in America, you've likely seen or heard that we're in a high interest rate environment right now. And your traditional savings account at banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo only offer an average APY of just 0.46% right now. And honestly, that's not enough to keep up with inflation, much less allow you to save. And also, if you keep your extra cash in your checking account, there's a high likelihood that you're not earning interest on it as well, let alone even a few cents per year. So I'm going to share this quote with you that says, make sure your cash savings are earning over a 4% return. And this is stated by Michelle Pasqualina, who is a senior wealth advisor at Align Wealth. And guys, she's absolutely right. There are so many online banking options that provide a return of interest on the money you have saved in there. Some examples of these are high yield savings accounts and certificate of deposits, otherwise known as CDs. Some of the best high-yield savings accounts offer between 4.25% to 5.2% currently right now. And alongside that, some of the best certificate of deposit accounts actually offer about 5.5% right now. And personally, I currently have my money saved in an Amex high-yield savings account, and it's giving me a rate of return at 4.35% on my money. So my personal advice is, if you have a good amount of money just sitting in your traditional bank account, go ahead and move it into a high yield savings account or a CD account and get that extra passive income without really doing anything for it. Now guys, before I dive into my third money habit, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Your support really helps this channel grow, and I'm all about providing free and helpful content without charging for a course or anything like that. So please show some love by smashing that like button, commenting, and subscribing. Alright, so number 3 on my list is eating out excessively. Guys, it's completely okay to go out to lunch or dinner a couple of times a month. But if you are doing it multiple times a week and spending anywhere from $50 to $100 or more every time you go out, then you are really eating away at your own pockets. The costs typically add up quickly, and most of the time, you might not even actually realize it. Now I get it, it's not really fun to eat at home all the time, and I'm sure you're gonna miss out on things like the vibes and experiences or times with your friends or what have you. But managing the outside eating can really make a significant difference in how much you have remaining in your account at the end of the month. And if you do a really good job of actually practicing this and saving your money, then you can actually reward yourself by going out and eating as you please. If you're doing a good job at saving, then go ahead and reward yourself. Now, number 4 on my list is paying high interest on debt. So guys, debt can be expensive, especially considering today's high interest rates. I currently live on it too, even though some financial experts say that you shouldn't have any debt. But in my opinion, it's actually important to have it. Debt can be valuable for investments, managing cash flow, building credit, and accessing tax benefits. It enables significant purchases and business growth. The important thing is just to manage it wisely in order to avoid financial strain. Borrowing wisely and repaying within agreed terms is crucial to preventing long-term difficulties, making sure that your debt remains a beneficial tool rather than a burden. So if you have high interest debt, it's a good time to work on it. And with that being said, you can actually work on it in a couple of different ways. You can start with a debt consolidation loan, you can use a personal loan, or while consolidating multiple debts into one easy to manage account with a lower interest rate. If you don't qualify or want to go that route, then the second option would be a debt consolidation program. With these programs, professionals use your financial data and evidence of financial hardship to negotiate new terms with your current lenders. The consolidation company then creates a payment plan and collects a single monthly payment from you, which you use to pay your creditors as agreed. Now guys, no matter which route you choose to go, taking action is key. The faster you cut into the interest rates on your debt, the more money you're likely to save moving forward. And guys, the 5th and final money habit to break is failing to manage tax-advantaged investments. Now, many employers offer retirement savings programs. You can typically invest into these programs on a pre-taxes basis, reducing your taxable income. There are other types of tax-advantaged savings accounts that you could take advantage of as well. Now going back to Pasqualina's tips earlier, she says that you should max out your contributions to eligible 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, HSAs, FSAs, and 529s to reduce your taxable income and or grow your savings tax deferred or even tax-free. Even if you can't afford to max out these options, it's smart to at least take advantage of them to reduce your tax burden. Guys, plain and simple, bad money habits can cost you in the long run, so why not use the new year to focus on improving your financial stability by breaking them? If you're keeping cash in an account with little to no return, if you have an excessive eating out habit, or if you take part in any of these bad money habits above, now's the time to make that change. Make breaking bad money habits your New Year's resolution. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and share it with anyone who might be struggling with their finances. If you have your own financial experiences or suggestions, please don't hesitate to put them down in the comments below. And of course, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos every week. I'll catch you all in the next video.